Hey, welcome to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. Today I want to talk about a concept I sometimes call the hijacked brain. You know, when people live with debilitating levels of chronic pain for 6 months or more or even years, a remodeling effect kicks in with the pain system. Technically, this is called neuroplasticity. If you want to learn more about this phenomenon, please go to the link below if you're watching this on YouTube and check out the full version of our Freedom from Suffering Now blog on this topic. One of the things I also know that happens is not only is there physiological changes, but there's a psychological change too. The brain changes how it adapts, how it faces the oncoming pain signals day after day, month after month, year after year. And the system gets definitely recircuited, remodeled, whatever you want to call it. The brain is very plastic, very moldable. That's the bad news and the good news. The good news is that with appropriate interventions, we can recircuit the brain. One of the phenomena that happen psychologically when people are living with high levels of pain for a long time is called anticipatory pain reaction. You know, this is something I spent many years helping people with, is first of all identify and then coping with anticipatory pain and finally moving beyond anticipatory pain. I have one of my articles on the website of that title, Moving Beyond Anticipatory Pain, and it's one of the more requested articles I have. It's really important to not get into a learned helplessness. Sometimes people go into what I call the chronic pain trance when this remodeling effect happens. They became very hopeless, helpless, see no way out. It's always going to be this way. It's horrible, awful, terribly. Why go on? So it's really important to get a handle on this, and it's more important to know that there is always hope. You know, as long as we breathe, there's hope. And people can learn to recircuit and remodel the brain. A lot of times it takes help. And many people can't get all the help they need. Don't let that stop you. If you or someone you love is experiencing chronic pain and seems to be suffering with it, please check out some of these interventions that I list on our website. I really want to help people learn that pain may be inevitable, but suffering is definitely optional. People can achieve freedom from suffering. Thank you for joining me today, and please check back frequently.